Okay, today we're going to discuss these RCI Crossmember skids. These are steel. As you can see right here, my first incident, or first trip to Badlands, I squashed this factory Crossmember up pretty good with a rock there, driving through the creek bed. Here's a little spacer kit, or a little spacer piece that goes on one of the boats. It's pretty straightforward directions, pretty easy to install. Took probably less than 30 minutes, especially on a lift. But you can probably do it pretty easy without one. I had to take the transmission skid plate off to do this so I could put it back on. Fits pretty snug in here. This end right here, it is kind of hard to get to that one a little bit, just because of the placement next to the exhaust, but it's doable. Other than that, it's a pretty simple and easy install. It comes with a shorter bolt that goes on that end and then the longer bolt on that end. They both have lock washers, regular washers, and the nut with it. You just lock them in and load them on. That's pretty much it. If you like this video, please consider liking it. Please consider subscribing and hit the alert button for more videos to come. Thank you.